uses of in, on, and under in different locations. You are welcome to watch. Thank you. Dear guest of honor, I would like to give the meaning of in. In describes something that is enclosed by something else. For example, the glass is in the glass is in the bottle, which means the glass it is enclosed by the bottle. Then all describes that something that is about the surface of something else. For example, the cup is on the surface of the bottle. Also under. Under describes something that is below something else. For example, the abacus is below the bottle. Thank you.
Dear guest of honor, let's see a short drama on how in, on, and under can be used.
Ryan, where is my arithmetic textbook?
It is in your bag.
Tunaangalia hapo drama ya matumizi ya in, under and on.
Oh, here it is in my bag. Thank you.
Let put the ball under that chair.
I am putting the ball under the chair. Abdul, sit on that chair.
I have sat on the chair.
Dear guest of honor, this is the end of our presentation about in, on, and under. Thank you.
Makofi na vigelegele. Wakati wa class 3